In this video I'm going to show you how to clean or replace the scanner glass of your HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. The first step for the cleaning is, if you just open the lid like this and check here, the white portion, the first thing is to make sure it is clean and make sure the glass is clean on the top. So you can use a tissue paper. Next step is to go to the inside of the glass and we have to clean it from the bottom. For that, switch off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Place your printer upside down. So we have to remove paper output trays. So there are 3 screws here and 2 at the base of this. So we have to remove them, or we can simply remove them as well without touching those 3. So whatever is best, you can follow that, and you can use Phillips screwdriver T10. So the easiest way is to remove all. Remove this plate. Now push it from one end and it will come out. Next is to remove these 2 screws. This is the second one. Now place your printer in the correct position. At the back of the printer there are 2 more screws, and then we are ready to take the scanner. So let's open these. One is here, second is this side. Now lift it from here. First remove this. So this is actually the wires, the strip that goes for the scanner, and the other one is for the power unit. So just remove it. So that is the complete unit, and we have to open it again. There are hooks here, you just have to release this cover from there. There are total 5, and here we can see the scanner. This is the scanner glass, and we just have to clean it. So you can use cleaning wipe, clean it. Now in case your glass has too much dirt, you can just take the glass out from here. So you just have to release from these locks. So I'm just going to release it. You just have to bend it. It's just the plastic that holds it. Carefully remove it. There is an adhesive on this side and also on this side. Now we can clean it. You can just wash it properly or clean it with the tissues from both sides. So let's place it back, or if you have a broken glass you can just replace it with the new one. So position it properly. Place it under the hooks and then lock it. So it is locked from all sides and it is clean, and now we have to place it back. So place this tray here. Make sure the scanner is already in its position and locked, so it should not move. Now place it here. You can double check if everything is okay here, and now press it down to lock. Now move it and place it here. So that's the back side, so it should come like this. Now put the top here, and first we have to connect the power unit. So that is here, and it will go straightway here. And the second is for the scanner, and just place it here. Once it is installed, now place it in its position. Adjust it. Place the screws on the top. So there are two screws, the one is here and the other goes this side. Make it upside down. The two screws will go here. One is this and the other here. Place the paper tray. So insert one end here and the other you can just push it down and then lock it, and that's the last part to place it back. This is the paper tray. 3 screws for this. That's the second. And that is the third. Now make it on the proper position and plug in the power cable. So double check if the scanner is working or not, just to make sure like we have connected it properly. So it is working and the glass is clean. You can just clean the top part again. So this way we can clean the scanner glass or replace the scanner glass of this printer. Thanks for watching.